Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to display the products that we added to the session here. We need to loop over the products and display them. So what I'm going to do is that here above this above this tr, we need to use the session. So here I'm going to say PHP, and then I'm going to say here PHP, and then I'm going to first check if the session is set or not. So I'm going to say if session, if is set first, if is set session cart, and then curly bracket, and then in another line we need to create another PHP. We need to say PHP, and then if, and then for each we need to loop over the products. We need to say for each, and then session cart as key value, as key value, where the key is the product ID and the value is the product information. And here curly bracket, and then we need to close this PHP, and then below this tr we need to, below this tr, let me show you where it is. This tr, only this tr, we need to close two curly brackets because we have if statement and we have for each. So we need to say here PHP, and then curly bracket, and then another PHP, and then curly bracket, and that's it. Now between we need to display the product info. So the first thing is the image. For the image we need to remove this static image, and then we need to say PHP, and then echo, and what we want to echo is that we want to echo first the assets / images / dot, and then we use the value, and then product image. Here, by the way, value and then product image. And then for the price we need to say here PHP, and then echo product, and then value product price, value, and then product price. And then after that we have also the product price, and then we have the quantity. So the quantity is going to be displayed inside the input here. I'm going to say PHP, and then here echo value product quantity, here product quantity. And then we have also the product price one more time. So we also need to display the product quantity one more time, the product price one more time. So here I'm going to say PHP, and then echo, and then value product price. We here also for this total we need to say if it's empty we don't need to display this number. So we, after this total, we need to say if, we need to say PHP, and then if is set, only if is set session, if the session is set, session cart
PHP, then we need to display this number, and I'm going to calculate the number later, but only if the session is set.